Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we're going to show a product assembly of our MTL 5 shoe. Let's go up and open up the box. For the first step, you require part A, part B, 2 part C is the screw. The item does come on an Allen key. Let's assemble. When assembling is for installing part B, you can either have it straight or at an angle. Straight or at an angle. For the next step, you require part A and 2 parts C screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part B and 4 times C. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part B and 4 times C. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part B and 4 part C's. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part B and 4 part C's. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 4 part D's, the feet. Let's assemble. The item does come with attachments and the anti-tipping. Please refer to our manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you for watching the processing of our MTL 5 shoe. Please go to the website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.